So I just want to make a slight correction on the video that I just uploaded on the Insta360 GO2 for FPV. I mentioned that you need to be in this Pro mode in order to be able to use FPV stabilization and horizon lock or flow state, and that is correct, and you have to change it in the app so that it always boots up in this Pro mode. Otherwise, at default it will boot up in the standard video mode. However, I mentioned that you can't do 50 FPS in the Pro mode, and that's not true. It's just buried in the confusing settings menu. So if I press on here where it says Pro Video and tab all the way over to settings and then enter, and then enter again on settings, we've got this one at the top that says video, but it's actually the standard video settings, and if you press enter again it goes to the Pro video settings, where you can go into there and change it to 50 FPS, and you've got the time lapse. So it's sort of like a sub menu, and yeah, it's not that clear, but apologies for putting out that incorrect information. It does actually do 50 FPS in that mode. I don't know why they set it up like that. It just makes it more confusing, but yeah, this camera more capable than I mentioned in my video, so I hope everyone gets to see that it does run 50 FPS. You just have to find it in a particular menu, and you know, it's a great camera. I just think a naked GoPro camera will get you more for just slightly more money, but if you don't want to mess around with that, then you know, we've got this as the next option.